Alright, so this is our first YouTube video here at Patriot Tree Service. Got a little bit of a head start here, but I'm going to show you guys this setup here. It's a pretty tight driveway, so we had to come in and trim some of these out. Coming through here. Got the Magni set up. In order to swing in through here, we had to take some of these out, but this is target number 1. It's a big oak. Got the Magni set up. Terrain here was kind of rough, so we had to crib it up a little bit. Got the Dyka mats over here. If you don't know about these, they're pretty sweet. Just kind of self-leveling. Little level built in on top. Got this up pretty high, but we're looking pretty good. This will just be, hopefully, just a few picks. It's a little windy today, but the Magni doesn't care. Got plenty of capacity up that close. And then job number 2, or tree number 2 rather. This one is the challenge. So it's going to be the most fun. Nice big white oak right over the house. It's a pretty big tree. Right up through the deck. Lucky for us, these customers kind of wanted at rail height so they can make a tabletop out of it. So that'll make things a little easier. We plan to keep the wood cracker on for as long as we can. And then we'll switch to the hook for a little bit more capacity. The wood cracker weighing in about 2,000 pounds. So just having the hook, which weighs 300, certainly helps get things moving, but that's it. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, change of plans. I just took the Magni up there just to kind of see what kind of capacity I've got. And for at least the front several branches, I've got a 5,000 pound capacity, which is far exceeds what I'm gonna need up there. So I'm just gonna start picking and see how long this takes to get the time lapses going. I may have to reposition, but we will see. so looks like we were able to get most of the tree down with the grapple. And this is what's left. The wood cracker, I guess we couldn't get all the way through the backside. Kind of sucks. So we're just going to put the sling on, wrap it. Somebody's going to kind of get up there and finish the cut on the backside. So that'll just be the first pick, and then the second pick will be the entire rest of the tree down to the railing, and then we're done. So we're going to get this wood cracker taken off and the hook put on with our slings, and we'll be back. All right, looks like we're just wrapping up here. Got it all done. Just got a little bit of cleanup to do here. Logs, we got a log drop nearby. This is some nice white oak. I'll make somebody happy. A little bit of metal. Everything held up nice. This is exactly the height that the homeowner wanted. They're gonna make a little tabletop. Fix it to that. And yeah. Thanks for watching. With the Magni RTH 6.35. We did have to sling it to the rear just to get a little bit more capacity out of it, just like I thought, but everything turned out good.